TMF. Just thought I should mention. Here with the shit, turn that stove up, yup. Like a demon when I spit, man, they should show love. But when I see them, they just split and turn their nose up. Won't agree that TMF the shit until he blows up. Well, it's the villain, so you know I've been scheming. Life been a bitch and I just wanna know a reason. Ooh, that loud in the air, yeah, boy, my favorite season. And the police anywhere, it's like I'm Elvis with the leaving. Hey, I'ma shake the game up, call it you-hoo. Really couldn't give a fuck, bitch, boo-hoo. Bitches do what I want like voodoo, and I'm just trying to catch a nut, homie, what would you do? All up in some new. Don't ask questions about what me and my crew do. We just steady looking for some new views, bitch, no YouTube. Silence, turn that bite to that pew, pew. Yup, TMF, and I'm right back at it. Didn't mean to turn the whole county to some addicts, but I seen the spare cash, had to add it mathematics. While you in the basement, homie, we be chillin' in the attic. We too far ahead, swear the deficit is just tragic. How them pills disappear, I think it's like magic. Prescription, magician, yeah, them drugs come around me, then poof, I'll go missing. Colder than Alaska in the middle of the winter. Slinging hella wood, I'm tryna dodge all of them splinters, boy. Look around the room, I swear it's full of all them winners. Hold up, let me eat this track for dinner. I've been spending hella money just to get it right back. Burning gas daily, riding around with Todd Sacks. Block hot as hell, boy, I can't deny that. And if they ever pull me over, I won't get that time back. But I'm just doing what I gotta do to get by. Making money here and there, the guy that supplies. Just wanna be a millionaire, I'm coming up pushing dimes. So I'ma put this blunt in the air, cause it's a hustler's life. Sometimes I feel like I be riding new Romans. I wanna see crazy, late night champagne foaming. When you reach the top, homie, cell phone never roaming. I be chillin' like a long line, waiting for my moment. I feel like I'm fucking zoning, writing down 32 bars early like 3 in the morning. When my time come, girl, promise I'ma own it. One day TMF will be up at the top, one day I'll be thrown it. Man, my girl be like, Trey, why you tryna leave? Why you always saying that it's you and never me? We've been climbing hills, we've been searching Beverly, but deep down, no, girl, I know you fucking scared of me. And that's cause things change, they don't never stay the same. Always go our separate ways, just a matter of days. And kinda feel like lately, my mind been in a haze. Kinda feel like I've been walking blind through a fucking maze. So, gotta get back to the flow. Back to flipping those, back to sipping foes, back to waking up every day with a different hoe. Fuck, why am I telling you, girl? You know how she goes. I'ma pour up these shots to that fuck clock style. One day I'ma pull up in the drop top. That's why I be spitting bullets like the Glock hot. And all these bitches steady looking for me like a hot spot. And I ain't even trying to motherfucking brag or bring you boys down like a damn drag. But I know that you boys steady bitching and you mad cause your pussy keep on bleeding on the rag. Like, come on homie, what up with that? Like, what up with that? Like, what up with that? Like, yeah, know you bitchin' and you mad cause you sad that your pussy keep on bleeding on the rag. Like, what up with that? Like, what up with that? Like, what up with that? Whew. That's some shit that I just thought that I should mention. TMF, y'all fuck with me.